Tools preparation: hex key, Allen wrench, hex socket, rubber mallet, personal protective equipment such as gloves, mask, and safety goggles. Spare parts preparation: heating plate, sealing ring, gasket. Replacement steps: remove the back panel. Carefully peel back the fiberglass insulation layer to expose the cables. Note: wear PPE, gloves, mask, goggles to minimize direct contact with fiberglass. Lightly misting the fiberglass with water beforehand can significantly reduce dust dispersion. Avoid excessive moisture. Loosen the screws and disconnect the two PC's heating tube connectors and the central temperature sensor. Loosen the 4 PC screws and remove the flange. The heating plate is now detached from the unit. Open the chamber door and carefully remove the heating plate. If stuck, gently tap the interface with a tool to loosen it. Remove the sealing ring, may be stuck on the chamber port or the heating plate interface. Install the new sealing ring onto the heating plate. Reinstall the heating plate, ensuring proper alignment and no debris in the chamber port. Reattach the flange. Gradually tighten the screws in a crisscross pattern to ensure an even seal. Reconnect the heating tube connectors and cover them with fireproof sleeves. Reinstall the temperature sensor, pushing it in fully until it reaches the deepest point, then cover it with a fireproof sleeve. Power on. Heat to 150 degrees Celsius to warm the plate. Turn off and disconnect power, then tighten screws again for proper sealing. Reattach the back panel.